Good day everyone and welcome to Math with Aisha. Today we want to see few basic challenges in integer expression. It contains longer expression than our previous examples. At the end of the video there are other challenges to try. We have $6 debt, another $6 debt, then we receive a $15 cash. So our total cash is 15 and our debt is 12. If we pay our debts from our cash, we still have 3 remaining. Cash remains. So minus 6 plus 15 is equals to 3 or plus 3 because it is cash that remains. That is why it is plus 3 or 3. So our next question, we receive a cash of $12 and we have a debt of $4 and then we receive another cash of $6. So our total cash is $18 and our debt is $4. If we pay off our $4 debt, we still have $14 cash. So money remains. So the answer is 14. 12 minus 4 plus 16 is 14 or plus 14. So our next question, we have 15. We receive $15 cash. We receive another $5 cash and we have a debt of $25. Our total cash is 20 and our debt is 25. So in this case our debt is more than our cash, so debt remains, and the debt that remains is 5. That is why it is carrying a minus. So 15 plus 5 minus 25 is equals to minus 5. So tell me the answers to this question. Thank you.